Hi everyone, my name is Tony Correa and tonight I'm going to be talking about inMotion hosting. So what is inMotion hosting? inMotion hosting is a company that offers web hosting. So in inMotion hosting, you're going to be finding shared hosting, WordPress hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated hosting. Yes. So if you ever want to hire a service from the guys from inMotion hosting, remember that I'm going to be dropping my link down below, guys, for you to buy your web hosting with discount just for tonight. Yes. So let's continue. Let's check the price, for example, of the share hosting package. Cost effective, fast and reliable for small business. Then we have the WordPress hosting, best for WordPress performance and value, the VPS hosting for high traffic sites, and finally for dedicated hosting plans for the largest sites. Yes, so let's imagine you guys want to buy the share hosting plan. Just click here where it says compare plans, and we're going to be comparing what plans the guys from inMotion hosting offer. Yes, so remember, you can choose your hosting for 1 month, 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years. Yes, for example, in the core one, you're going to be paying $2.29 per month. In the past, it was like $8.99, but for tonight we're going to be paying just $2.29 per month. Yes. What are we going to get if we hire this core plan? Obviously, we're going to get the free SSL certificate. This means that your website is going to be showing a padlock. Can you see right here in the left side up? Yes. After this is going to be you're going to be hosting 2 websites. Also, you're going to be getting your 100 GB SSD storage, unlimited bandwidth for a maximum velocity, 2x speed and performance. Also, you're going to get 10 email addresses, security suite, and marketing tools. Obviously, we have more information here, right? Hosting plans, Python, Node.js, Ruby, and Git version control, choice of data center, live chat support as well. So I have been checking this. The guys from inMotion hosting have their servers in the United States and Amsterdam. Yes, for you to have an idea where the servers from inMotion hosting are located. Yes. Okay, so now they also offer, if you hire a plan with the guys from inMotion hosting, you're going to be getting your cPanel. Yes, can you see right here? You're going to be having a nice cPanel, for example, add-on domains, subdomains. Yes, this is the cPanel that most companies use in order to control your domain and hosting. Yes. Yeah, so if you guys ever want to hire a plan, just click here where it says select. Yes, and then we're gonna be filling the blanks with our names, last name, phone number, and payment method. Yes, for example, here we can find data centers in Washington, Los Angeles. It depends where you are living now, right? Backup manager and this. Yes, Google Workspace. Yes, but these are just add-ons. For example, I'm gonna be choosing this package, and then I'm gonna be checking subtotal of $82.44. Applicable taxes and fees, total of $82.44, right? So we continue here. Choose your domain name. inMotion hosting can host any domain and register .com, .net, .org, .biz, .us, and .info. Yes, for example, I would like to purchase a new domain. I already own the domain I want to use. For example, let's imagine you want to buy your domain. Just click here, and then after this you're going to look for your domain. For example, I'm going to be choosing Tony Correa web host reviews, for example. Yes, you can put any name. The domain is going to be your address in which your friends, family, or people are going to find you over the internet. Yes, for example, in my case, it's going to be Tony Correa web host reviews.com. Yes, for example, let's search if it's available. And the system is checking. Yes, Tony Correa, great news, Tony Correa web is available. Then I add it to cart, and as you can see, I have the subtotal applicable taxes and fees, and total of $115 plus 42 cents. Yes, after this I'm gonna be continuing here. So what are we getting with this plan? 3-year subscription for the core plan. Yes, a discount of $200.41, and also my domain that is going to be costing me $19. Yes, $19.99. Yes, this is a total of $115 just for tonight. Yes, remember that we are getting that 3-year subscription plan. Yeah, after this, continue. Yeah, this is the summary. Everything is okay, everything is cool. Yes, protect my information. Okay, and we continue here. Yes, yeah, and in this way, your primary email address, I'm gonna be putting my email address. For example, is Tony123456. It's an imaginary email, but you guys are going to put your real email, your real address. Everything is gonna be real for you. Okay, so okay, for example, gmail.com, my password, and I am not a robot. And after this, I'm gonna be logging into my account, and obviously I'm gonna be getting my credentials where I can manage my hosting and my domain with the guys from inMotion hosting. Okay, so I hope you have liked my video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and that will help me to create more free content for you. Yes, I hope you have liked my video. See you next time. Bye bye.